Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week with AutoMobility Store. I am your host, Greg, and today I picked the Baja Bandit outdoor mobility scooter. This is made by Pride Mobility, but it's the Baja line. The Baja Bandit, excellent outdoor scooter. I'd say it ranges more in the mid-size category, so it's a little smaller than a typical outdoor scooter, but the way it's designed, it can handle that terrain really well. 4.5-inch ground clearance, so plenty of room underneath the scooter. What's kind of cool about this that kind of makes it stick out from other scooters is lithium battery, first of all. It comes standard with 20 amp hour lithium battery, but it has upgradable up to a 40 amp hour lithium battery, which will give you 29 miles per charge. So you got 29 miles per charge with that upgradable battery. Your top speed on this is up to 8 miles per hour, so it's got speed. Of course, full suspension. My favorite feature on this is actually a suspension seat post. So not only do you have suspension for the wheels and the frame and all that, but your seat post has a little spring in it, so it gives you a smoother ride when going over that terrain. You've got awesome color options. It has the tan, that's kind of just sticks out there out in the outdoors, or doesn't stick out. But speaking of not sticking out, they have now camo colors. You've got like a standard camo green, which is beautiful, new camo black and camo white. So that's also just wonderful features for this scooter, as well as a sage color. It's a very interesting color. What else do we've got? Yeah, it has the feather touch disassembly, so you can take this apart for traveling. It is mid-size, it's a little larger, so it's not the lightest, but it is something you can take apart. So yeah, for a great smaller outdoor scooter, I would definitely recommend the Baja Bandit by Pride Mobility. Thank you so much for watching.